Introducing the Aluminum RokLock Upgrade Kit. Made completely out of aluminum, our new RokLock works with all Pro Series bike and motorcycle mounts. This replaces a polycarbonate RokLock. Easily replace your RokLock on your bike or motorcycle mount. First, unscrew and remove the old RokLock. Then, screw in your new aluminum RokLock and you're all set. Just twist and go, because you have better things to hold on to. This product comes with a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee.